Welcome to this review of the GUDBYWXB Solar Lighting and Fan Kit. This is an all-in-one solar power system designed to provide lighting, cooling, and device charging for outdoor adventures and emergency home backup. Let's dive into what makes this kit stand out. First, the build quality. This kit is made from high-performance materials that are wear-resistant and heat-resistant. The solar panel is efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, which charges the built-in battery. During the day, you can leave the panel in the sun, and by night, you'll have stored power ready to use. The kit includes a fan, 3 bright LED bulbs, and a set of 5 data cables. The fan is surprisingly powerful for its size, providing a cool breeze during hot camping days. The bulbs emit a warm, clear light, perfect for illuminating a tent, cabin, or even a small room during a power outage. The USB ports allow you to charge devices like smartphones, which is a lifesaver when the grid goes down. Portability is a key feature. The entire system is compact and lightweight, so you can easily pack it for camping trips, picnics, or just keep it in your car for emergencies. The setup is straightforward. There are clear markings on the power case, and the included instructions walk you through the process in minutes. You just connect the panel to the battery unit, and you're ready to go. Maintenance is simple as well. The smooth surfaces and simple structure mean you can wipe off dirt or dust with a damp towel. No complicated cleaning rituals. Now let's talk about performance. On a full charge, the fan runs for several hours on low speed, and the bulbs last even longer. Of course, actual runtime depends on sunlight availability. I found that a full day of direct sun charges the battery sufficiently for evening use. The USB charging capabilities are handy. I could top off my phone without draining the main battery too quickly. One thing to note, this is a DC system, so it is not designed to power heavy appliances. Stick to the fan, lights, and small USB devices. Also, while the panel is durable, it's not waterproof, so you'll want to protect it from rain. Overall, the GUDBYWXB Solar Lighting and Fan Kit is a practical and reliable solution for off-grid power needs. Whether you're camping, preparing for emergencies, or just want a sustainable way to light a shed, this kit delivers. It's easy to use, portable, and well-built. If you need a compact solar system for basic power, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check the link in the description to learn more or purchase.